Paul writes, "Therefore, my beloved, as you have always obeyed, so now, not only as in my presence, but much more in my absence, work out your own salvation with fear and trembling. For it is God who works in you, both to will and to work for his good pleasure." There's that paradox right at the heart of our faith. Work out your own salvation because it is God who's working in you the whole time. So there's a sense of, yeah, I'm supposed to live this out. I'm supposed to work out what it means to be saved and get rid of that sin in my life, actually invest, use my gifts that God has given me for the good of his church and the community. I'm supposed to be working it out, but it was God doing the work the entire time. And we just kind of hold that tension. So I was thinking an analogy that helps maybe clarify what this looks like. Happening right now in my own family, my little boy Johnny is learning how to ride a bike. And he's 3, he's turning 4 next week, but learning how to ride this bike. And last year, we got him a specialized bike, and I added some training wheels onto that bike. And it's been about a year of him kind of learning how to use this gift. At first, he wasn't even quite big enough to fit, but now he is. And then he was learning how to use his muscles to push the pedals in the right direction. He was learning a little bit of the balance. He was learning what steering is. And now I can go out in front of our house and I can walk with him and hold that bike. And he's very wobbly still, but he's learning how to balance and how to actually use this bike. And there's moments when he just takes off and you can see he's starting to get it. And I look at his face and his big smile on his face. And as his dad, I feel great pleasure as this little kid is learning how to use this gift. But here's the thing, at no point is he earning the gift. The bike is already his. The bike is his, but now he's learning how to actually pedal and use it and find joy in riding this bike. At no point is he earning our love. Is he earning his status as our son? That has nothing to do with it. But he's stepping into this gift that we've given him, this bike. If it just stayed in the garage for years and collected dust, it would have been a wasted gift. I think that's what Paul is talking about here. God has given us this incredible gift of salvation, so much more incredible than even that bike. And yet, as we work out our salvation, as we step into it, it's like a little boy learning how to ride his bike for the first time, and we are feeling the pleasure of God. How has God actually designed me to live? The gifts that he has given me, the talents, the skills, the connections. How has God made me to be his child and his image bearer in the world? That's what it means to work out the free gift. There's one more quote that I love from the old movie Chariots of Fire. It's a movie about Eric Liddell. He was a Christian missionary. He was also an Olympic runner, a gold medalist, I think in the 20s, right? And in the movie, they give him this incredible quote. He says this, "I believe God made me for a purpose, but he also made me fast. When I run, I feel his pleasure." That's what it means to work out the free gift, is that we are in sync with the way God has made us to live. And when we run in that pattern, we're feeling God's pleasure, not because we're earning it, but because we've already received the free gift and we just get to live into it. And so when Jesus says, work for the gift that I will give you, I think that's what he's getting at there. Saying, no, you're not earning it. It's always been God, but you get to live into it. Don't just be passive. Don't let the bike collect dust in the garage. Actually, like sit and think, what does it mean, God, for me to live into this gift, to run so that I feel the pleasure of God?